So welcome once again. As we were discussing about baggage norms for Custom Act. So today we will be again going to, and this is all as per Custom Rule 2016. Okay, these rules has been revised, and Rule 2016 is applicable for baggage, which is very recent one, because you must be knowing we are referring Custom Act 1965. So here, as you know, we need to exempt certain personal baggages. So thereby few definition modes, which is very important for us, which will describe and which will be very important for considering what will be taxable, what not will be taxable. So first you start with baggage rule 2016. Rule 2 is talking about definition. These definitions are important. Kindly take down. The first definition is family. So you have seen section 77 to section 81 of Custom Act is basically dedicated for baggage rule, how much, which baggage will be tax chargeable or importable or dutiable. Similarly, here these rules are very much helpful for us. Here, actual guidance, proper guidance we get. So, first one is family. Family includes all person who are residing in same house from part of the same domestic establishment. So, in one house, whatever we have, all are included. Family. Infant means a child not more than 2 years of age. Resident means a person holding a valid passport issue under Passport Act 1967 and normally resident to India. Tourist means a person not normally resident to India who enters India for stay not more than 6 months. Because you must be knowing, if it is 182 days or more, then they'll be resident to India in course of any 12 months period for legitimate or non-immigrant purposes. Personal effect means things which require satisfying the daily necessities but does not include jewelry. So rule 3 talks about person arriving from countries other than Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. So first you take down these rules, then we will take up few questions based on that. Few question based on rule 2 of uh, baggage rule 2016. So it goes like this. Rule 2 talks about these definition which we have already seen. Rule, Rule 3 talks about passenger from other than Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. Rule 4 talks about passenger from Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. So these we are going to learn. So now let us first learn all these rules, then it will be easier. So rule 3 talks about passenger arriving from country other than Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. What this rule says, an Indian resident or a foreign resident in India, a tourist of Indian origin, use the personal effect and travel souvenir article other than annexure 1. Now what is annexure 1? That I'm going to discuss later on, but keep in mind annexure 1 is this: any fire arises, cigarette or firearms exceeding 50. So cigarettes exceeding 50, cigarette exceeding 100 or cigar exceeding 25 or tobacco exceeding 125 grams, alcoholic liquor or wines exceeding 2 liter, gold or silver in any form other than ornament, flat panel LCD, LED, TVD, plasma, etc., etc. Okay. So this is annexure 1, which we will be going to learn later on. But before that, I have just given you the reference of annexure 1. Let us learn the rule 3 and take down. So if you are coming from land route 50,000, other route 50,000 free, remaining will be taxable. Other than annexure 1. And if there is a tourist from foreign origin, use for personal effect, travel, souvenir, and article other than, if there are personal effect, then it is free. Huh? Souvenir also free. Annexure 1, which is prohibited, that will be free. But other than that, if you are getting 15,000 will be free, remaining will be taxable. So this is your rule 3. Rule 2 you have seen, which defines rule 3 for the passengers other than Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. Take down. Completed. Thank you, Sunita. Let me get other students' responses also. Thank you. Yes. So rule 3 is done. Now rule 4 is passenger from Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. So again, it will remain same. If Indian resident or foreign resident coming to India, I hope resident concept you must be knowing. Okay. A tourist of Indian origin, anything for the personal belonging or travel souvenir, it is free. Article other than annexure, rule 3 talks about other country, rule 4 talks about uh, people who are from Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. For them 50,000 is exempted. Okay. And for them 15,000 is exempted. Remaining will be taxable. Tourist of foreign origin. Okay. Again, with the personal effect, it is free. Article other than that annexure one, again, other than Nepal, Myanmar and Bhutan, 15,000 exempted. Remaining will be taxable, whether it is land route or the other route. And here, if it is land route, then nothing will be exempted. Nothing will be taxable. Everything will be free. That is why you must be finding from Nepal we carry anything, no custom duty is chargeable. Again, it is nil and 15,000 will be exempted. Remaining will be taxable. So kindly complete this table. This table is very important, which talks about taxability. Particulars, rule 3, rule 4. We need to rejoin for 10-15 minutes. Let us complete the theoretical aspect today so that in coming lectures we can start with the practical. For this extra lecture, definitely you will get attendance. Don't worry.